Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update, second part of 20 July. Now here we are, and we've seen a little bit of amazing push to the upside to $24,200. The technical target is met, okay? For Bitcoin, the technical target is actually met. Now, the question really arrives that is a retracement going to happen, okay? So I'm on the 50 minutes time frame, even though this is not my favorite kind of time frame. But I'm actually going to tell you, I do see a lot of coins now pointing to a retracement to the downside, okay? And it does make sense. We've been overextended. We've been pumping like crazy for a few days now. And I think everybody is ready to commit to buy Bitcoin at the moment. And that's when Bitcoin loves to actually go down, okay? It's just a reverse psychology. And at the moment, we do have three black crows on a 15 minutes time frame. And you can already see that we are on the verge of making that small bear flag, kinda, and we're looking for Bitcoin to basically come from there to there. We're looking for this to fall down to nearly this level, which is going to be $23,000, right? And so $23,000 is what I'm looking for. If I actually go into a higher time frame, like a little bit 1 hour time frame, we do have an evening star as well. So there's an evening star right over there. The second thing is going to be the 4 hour time frame as well, and I do see some bearish, pattern right now. And that that 4 hour time frame actually tells the whole story. Okay, so it actually shows that in the next 2 hours 22 minutes, if Bitcoin actually closes near 23,676, that's not a good sign, and you're about to actually make a reversal from here, because this is a reversal candlestick to the downside, and that's almost like a tweezer top right there. And the next thing is going to be the daily, and on the daily time frame I'm actually going to bring in the EMA. So you can already see that on the daily, the EMA 55 EMA is going to act a little bit heavy for Bitcoin to survive at the moment. Okay, so you might get rejected completely, and you can see, if now I summarize everything from 15 minutes time frame, you do have three black crows. In the 1 hour time frame, you have the evening star. On the 4 hour time frame, you almost have a tweezer top. The daily time frame, you have the 55 EMA as your resistance right over here. So it's not, you have to go logically and just make everything according to what you're being given at the moment. And what you're being given, is it positive? Ask yourself this question. I don't think it's positive, okay? At least on the chart, it's not positive. No guts feeling, no personal feeling, put that aside. But logically, that's not a good sign to continue higher now, okay? So I think retracement to the downside makes more sense at the moment. And that's it for this quick second part of Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.